So this vanity came as part of this junk removal. You know, I don't know what's in style anymore because these guys are on the cutting edge of what's in style. So I hear that gold is back in. So this is what we got. Very unique, soft close. Came with toilet bowl cleaner. And once you clean the toilet bowl, you got some little wipes here so you can wipe your hands. And then we got this thing here. These are, if you don't like the color of those pools, you could use these pools. So switch this out. You could switch these out. See, there you go. As a salesman, will that help you sell?
Oh, absolutely.
Silver's in, gold's out, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah, I'd say gold's out.
That's what everybody's doing. Now my favorite.
Toilet paper adds up.
We have to put that in the truck. Take it with us. Got to keep your priorities straight. Look at this. Got these nice little things in here.
That's cool.
All right, so